Nah, this ain't gonna take long. I'm finna do this real quick. Give me a second. We're gonna go to teriyaki after this. I gotta eat clean now. I'm clean again. I fell off a little bit, but I'm still good. The sauce is still on.
Hey everybody.
What's going on?
You're straight from Jacksonville, Shed Light Properties. As y'all already know how y'all been receiving the emails for the forum that's coming up next Wednesday on the 29th, 2 days after my birthday. What you got to say, Kurt?
So last year we started forward, but this year we're going to start backwards, and we're going to go from historicals, and then each quarter we're going to walk to present day, and we're going to explain to you why it's so important to invest in real estate with a heart, not just for your own family, but for the families who are renting from you as well. So we have a wonderful opportunity where we can both pair or individually solo invest for community restoration. And so that's the exciting part about our adventure with Shed Light Properties. And you guys haven't seen the Facebook post, you've seen the LinkedIn post. So we're really excited to actually have two-way conversations, because what's a forum when only one party is talking? It's not really a discussion. It's just a presentation. So we like to do a little bit of both.
Yes. On top of that, we educate you and you can educate us. Because like she just said, my wife said, it's two-way conversation. So we are looking forward to seeing you next week.
Wednesday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we start on time and we end on time, because time is very valuable.
And that's March the 29th. See you later. Peace.
Bye.
Just in case you forgot, let me remind you, the sauce is still on me. It's dripping and flowing. It looks like I'm bleeding, I don't need consoling. I'm ravioli. Inside I'm beefing, don't try to control me. I'm not the old me.